Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to trim multiple lines. Example, if you have, let's say, one line here, so let's make it straight and let's copy this one, copy, click, and I'm going to use array, let's say 100, enter, and I will go with the fit. So let's come like this, okay. We'll stretch this one, yes, enter, okay. Now I want to trim something like this. Okay, let's make this one. Okay, let's R. Okay, something like this. So I want to trim this one everything one time. You can trim like this also, no problem. It's possible. But there's another command, Extrim. Extrim. Okay. So click this one and click here. It will trim also. Okay. But this one, some area it will be useful. Let's say we will draw a circle. Or let's say like this. Mm, uh, okay. So in case of you are working with something, it will be helpful. So let's move here. Okay, let's make it little smaller. Okay. Now if you make regular trim here, so you cannot select all. See this one. That I select before. So in case this case, you can use extreme. Extreme. Okay, click this one and click center. So it will trim everything perfectly. I hope this video will help you. So too many people have too many field and different field people need different kind of command. So maybe it will help that kind of people. So if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. Until next video, take care. Assalamu alaikum.